Life on Earth in its earliest forms was remarkably simple. The planet, teeming with potential, was home to the most basic forms of life. Single-celled organisms devoid of any complex structure we might recognize as a brain ruled the primordial soup. These tiny entities, floating in the nutrient-rich waters, were the pioneers of life. Yet, even within these rudimentary life forms, the seeds of consciousness were sown. These organisms, though simple, had the remarkable ability to react to their surroundings, a precursor to more complex behaviors. The ability to sense and respond to the environment, a fundamental characteristic of life, marked the very first steps towards the development of a brain. Plants growing towards light and insects reacting to touch are modern echoes of these ancient capabilities. Over millions of years, life diversified and complexified. From simple beginnings, a vast array of life forms emerged, each adapting to their unique niches in the environment. Organisms evolved, developing specialized cells and tissues to navigate their environments more effectively. Birds with beaks to forage, fish with fins to swim, each adaptation a step towards greater complexity. Among these evolutionary marvels were the very first nervous systems, rudimentary networks of interconnected cells capable of transmitting information throughout an organism. These networks allowed for more coordinated and efficient responses to the environment. These early nervous systems, while primitive, represented a monumental leap forward, laying the groundwork for the future development of the brain. Simple organisms like jellyfish, with their basic nerve nets, were the first to benefit from this advancement. The emergence of the first true brains, centralized organs capable of processing sensory information and coordinating actions, marked a turning point in evolutionary history. These brains, though small, were powerful tools for survival. These early brains, though significantly smaller and simpler than their modern counterparts, bestowed upon their possessors a crucial advantage: the ability to learn and adapt to changing environments. Mice navigating mazes and animals adapting to new surroundings are modern examples of this ancient capability. This capacity for adaptation, driven by the ever-evolving brain, would prove to be the driving force behind the incredible diversity and complexity of life we witness today. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains, the brain has enabled life to thrive in every corner of the planet. Venturing further back in time, we encounter the ancestors of vertebrates, the chordates. These ancient beings roamed the primordial seas, setting the stage for the complex life forms that would follow. These creatures, possessing a simple notochord, a precursor to the spinal cord, showcase the early stages of centralized nervous system development. The notochord was a flexible, rod-like structure that provided essential support and stability to these early organisms. The notochord, a flexible rod that provided structural support, also housed a rudimentary nerve cord responsible for transmitting signals along the body. This primitive nerve cord was the foundation upon which more complex nervous systems would be built. The evolution of the notochord and its associated nerve cord marked a significant step towards the development of the complex nervous systems we see in vertebrates today. Over millions of years, these structures would evolve and diversify, giving rise to the intricate neural networks that characterize modern vertebrates. From this ancestral structure arose increasingly sophisticated nervous systems, eventually culminating in the development of the vertebrate brain. This brain would become the control center for an array of sensory and motor functions, enabling more complex behaviors and interactions with the environment. This remarkable journey through evolutionary time highlights the gradual and incremental nature of brain evolution, a process spanning millions of years. Each step in this journey was marked by small yet significant changes that collectively led to the advanced brains we observe in vertebrates today. Among the early vertebrates, fish played a crucial role in the development of the brain. These pioneering creatures were among the first to exhibit more complex neural structures, setting the stage for further advancements in brain evolution. As these aquatic creatures navigated their three-dimensional world, their brains evolved to process a constant stream of sensory information. This included visual cues from their surroundings, auditory signals from the water, and olfactory stimuli from potential food sources or mates. The development of specialized regions within the fish brain for processing visual, auditory, and olfactory stimuli marked a critical step towards the complex brains of higher vertebrates. These specialized brain regions allowed fish to better interpret and respond to their environment, enhancing their survival and reproductive success. The evolutionary advancements in fish brains laid the groundwork for the sophisticated neural architectures seen in later vertebrates, including amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Each of these groups would build upon the neural foundations established by their fish ancestors, leading to the incredible diversity of brain structures and functions observed in the animal kingdom today. As we shift our focus to the lineage that eventually gave rise to humans, we encounter the hominids, a diverse group of primates that emerged in Africa millions of years ago. Among the earliest hominids, such as Australopithecus afarensis, brain size remained relatively small, comparable to that of modern chimpanzees. However, even within these early members of our family tree, there were hints of the remarkable brain evolution that was to come. These early hominids displayed a mix of primitive and advanced traits, suggesting that the groundwork for future cognitive advancements was already being laid. The transition from life in the trees to the African savanna presented early hominids with a new set of challenges and opportunities. The open landscapes required different survival strategies, pushing our ancestors to adapt in innovative ways. Natural selection favored individuals with larger brains capable of processing information more efficiently, solving problems, and navigating complex social structures. This cognitive edge allowed them to exploit new resources and develop more sophisticated survival techniques, leading to a gradual increase in brain size within the hominid lineage. This expansion in brain volume coincided with the development of tool use, which not only required dexterity but also advanced planning and problem-solving skills, a testament to the growing cognitive abilities of our ancestors. The ability to create and use tools marked a significant leap in our evolutionary journey, showcasing the intricate link between brain development and technological innovation. The emergence of the genus Homo, our own genus, marked a pivotal moment in human evolution. This period saw a dramatic increase in brain size and complexity, setting the stage for future advancements. Homo habilis, known for its tool-making abilities, possessed a brain significantly larger than its Australopithecine predecessors. This increase in brain size was accompanied by more sophisticated behaviors and social structures. This trend of increasing brain size continued with Homo erectus, a species that mastered fire and migrated out of Africa, showcasing their adaptability and ingenuity. The control of fire not only provided warmth and protection, but also allowed for cooking, which made food more digestible and nutritious, further supporting brain growth. Further fueling the development of the human brain. The journey of brain evolution in our lineage is a testament to the incredible adaptability and ingenuity of our ancestors, paving the way for the complex cognitive abilities we possess today.